to make some steak fried rice, and I decided to do that with a little twist. I'm gonna be adding some green curry paste. We have a sweet Vidalia onion, some mint, some Hawaiian basil. You could get that from an Asian market. And some red chili peppers, probably from an Asian market as well. And some peeled garlic cloves. I've got 5. Cilantro. And a pickling cucumber for side garnish. I may add tomato as well. Beansprout. Green onion. Lime. 3 egg. I have 2 lime, 3 egg. And in the next segment, I'm gonna go over all of my seasoning and ingredients I'm gonna use to make my sauce. Stay tuned. Suggested that I'm gonna go over my ingredients slowly since I do not provide recipes and measurements. So everything that I'm gonna show you right now, you're gonna use sparingly. Black pepper, red pepper flakes, onion powder, ground coriander, that's cilantro by the way, garlic powder, Japanese 7 spice, fish sauce, seasoning salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Thai seasoning paste, ground ginger, and sesame oil. Okay, we're gonna start off by cutting up my vegetables before I get to working on my meat. I'm gonna take all of the peeling off. And for fried rice, I like to keep the veggies cut or minced small. Okay, now I'm just gonna chop up my mint. The more shredded it becomes, the more aromatic it is. So I love to chop up my herbs. Cilantro is chopped. You can go ahead and slice up your Hawaiian basil. The Hawaiian basil is important. It's nothing like the mint. It has a basil mint flavor. It's so delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna slice up this cucumber. This is a nice pickling cucumber that I found at the Asian market. They have such big vegetables. Their vegetables always look so healthy and hydrated. I'm not a chef, so I'm not real fast with the knife. I just like everything to look really neat, even, and pretty. So let's get to working on our hot peppers. Don't touch your eyes. We're just gonna cut these up really small so that they can kind of disappear in the food. For a little spice. To mincing up our garlic. I've got 5 cloves here. Oops, I'm gonna get that now. Okay. You don't want the garlic too big, because then it might be overbearing in your food. So you want to mince it rather small. It's nothing worse than biting down on something so delicious but potent. Now let's slice up our green onion, or scallion, or whatever you like to call them. I'm just gonna slice these up round. I got these from the Asian market too. Look how big they are. Healthy. cubed up all of my filet. I'm gonna start seasoning. Follow along. Garlic powder, sesame oil. Okay, we're just wetting our steak here. Sorry about my dog. My oyster sauce, and we're drizzling that on top of the steak, just like that. Fish sauce, seasoning salt, onion powder, Japanese 7 spice, ginger, crushed red pepper flakes. Everything is sparingly. Coriander. Okay. And I'm just looking to coat the meat. Some black pepper. And some Thai paste. Okay. That's what it looks like. Some soy sauce. Should marinate our meat really good. And just stir this up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that. Beautiful color. See that marinade? That's how you want your steak to look. Looks like we can eat it now. Got this rice from the Asian market. It's jasmine. I'm just gonna put enough rice in here to fry, but I'm gonna steam it first, not cook it all the way. Let me go add some water and remove some starch from this. Water off, get some of the starch out, and add water back to my pot. Normally I'd be steaming my water a fingertip deep from the top of the rice. But since we are frying this rice, we don't want to cook it soft. We want to leave it a little bit crunchy, if you will. I'm going to do it on medium. Okay, now that our rice is cool, we are going to start with our frying. I think I added about a 1/4 stick of butter. And we're going to fry the rice in 2 sections. So let's add some sesame oil to this. I probably should have took off the little plastic thing, but that's okay. That way you guys can see how much I'm actually adding to my skillet. Now the butter is so that the rice is shiny. You don't add butter to your fried rice, you probably won't have the consistency that you're looking for. So this will allow my butter to have a higher burn consistency, meaning it won't burn fast. Okay. I'm gonna add some green curry paste to this. Now I'm gonna add my garlic and my red chili paste. And I'm just gonna move this around in my skillet. Ooh, that's a little mad, but it's okay. Let's just calm it down. Maybe a little water was on my whisk. Water and oil do not mix, okay? But look how pretty that is. That's what we want to see. Now I'm going to add some onion. I got a handful of onion. And now I'm going to add some of my steak.